Hello everyone, in front of me is TCL 505 and let me show you how to remove Google account. First of all, you need to open the settings. Then find and select accounts. Choose the account that you want to remove. And all you have to do now is to select remove account. Confirm by tapping on remove account. Click on OK. Draw your unlock pattern to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, it has been removed. It's no longer under accounts. If you want to add it again, or if you want to log in with any other account, just enter accounts and select add account. Then provide your email address or phone number along with the password. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.